Alright guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to be solving question 4 from the second chapter of the Hibbeler textbook, and we have this vertical force F downward at point A on the two-membered frame. We need to determine the magnitude of the two components of F directed along the axes of AB and AC, and we know that the F is 500 newtons. So since we are in equilibrium, the way we're going to solve this is using trigonometry. So one way is to go with the equilibrium and do sum of all forces in x and y direction equals to 0, and we can find the values in here. But the way we're going to solve this is a bit different. So we know that force F is the resultant of these two forces, so we can use the parallelogram law of addition, and if we do that, we're going to make a parallelogram in here. So if we do that, F would be the resultant of these two forces, which are FAB and FAC. And we can use the law of sine, and since we have the angles in this figure, we should be able to find all the unknowns in here using the law of sines. And I'm just gonna draw the forces a little bit bigger that we can see better. So this is our horizontal line. We have the force F in here, which is downward, and we have the two forces of FAB and FAC here. So we know this angle here. So this is the parallel line that we draw. Since this angle is 30 degrees, this one is 30 degrees. So we have 30 degrees in here. And we have the same scenario in here. We know this angle is 45 degrees. These two are parallel. This angle is 45 degrees. So we have 45 degrees in here. So here we can find this angle. We have this right triangle, which means this angle is 90 minus 30, which is 60 degrees. So this will be 60 degrees. And if that's 60 degrees, here we have 60 degrees too. And it's easy enough to find the other angle here, which will be basically 180. We have a triangle on the left side. I'm going to highlight it in yellow. So we have this triangle. So we know some of all the angles in triangles. 180, so 180 minus 60 minus 45 is going to give us the other angle. 180 minus 105, which will be 75 degrees. Now we have all the angles. We know F is 500 newtons, and all we need to do in here is a law of sines, and we can figure out all the forces FAB and FAC in here. So basically we have FAB over the angle in front of it would be sine of 60 degrees. We have F over sine of 75 degrees, and this will be equal to FAC. We know FAC would be in here, and the angle in front of FAC would be sine of 45 degrees. We know F is 500, so we can pick these two to find FAB. So our FAB would be 500 times sine of 60 divided by sine of 75 degrees. Let's see what we get for FAB. So 500 times sine of 60 divided by sine of 75. That's going to be 448.29 newtons. We found the first unknown, and we can pick these two in order to find the FAC. So our FAC would be 500 times sine of 45 degrees divided by sine of 75 degrees. Let's calculate this one very quick. 500 times sine of 45 divided by sine of 75, and this is going to give us 366.03 newtons, which would be the second unknown in this question. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We're covering 3 different textbooks in this channel. Feel free to check out the playlist. Let me know if you want me to solve a specific problem from any chapter of these 3 textbooks that we're covering in this channel. I'll be happy to make a video for those questions, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.